Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, slightly powdered lids to ensure grip. Use a primer or translucent powder. Choose the liner that fits your skill. Felt tip for steady lines, gel with a brush for customization, pencil to smudge. Rest your elbow to steady your hand and make the first small strokes at the inner third of the lash line. Draw in short connected dashes rather than one long pull so you can correct angle and thickness as you build. Once you have a base, connect the short strokes toward the outer corner, making the lines slightly thinner near the inner eye and gradually thicker outward for a natural lift. If you want a wing, place a small end point dot aimed at the tail of your brow first, then draw the wing to meet the outer lash line. Make small corrective strokes or use a tiny angled brush to smooth edges. Dab a Q-tip with remover for precise corrections rather than wiping broadly. You finish by setting the liner, press matching eyeshadow, or a thin layer of liquid over gel or pencil to reduce transfer and increase longevity. Make sure to check symmetry by looking straight ahead at a mirror, correcting tiny differences with short strokes rather than heavy erasing. If you smudge, wait 10 to 15 seconds so product partially sets, then gently lift the smudge with micellar water or remover on a cotton swab. Repeat tiny corrections until both eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.